Alright, welcome to Candyland. This is my marble run track that I made for my science class. Here is my rough draft. I had this cardboard poster container and a wrapping paper tube that I knew I wanted to use. I also had this foam board to use as my base so it wouldn't just be on the table. This did have a lot of trial and error, so it ended up being a little bit different than I had expected. I ended up having to add another tier right here, some toilet paper rolls as turns, and then I added the plate at the bottom so it would go down and spin. So here's all the Candyland design with just like the board game, which is one of my favorite games, and let's see if it works.